Youth Energy Academy is a program that aims to talk about energy in a simple way. A very special component of this is the workshop where we will build solar systems, and together we learn the simple things of doing systems together and then simplifying and understanding that energy in the end is easy.
It's been amazing to be here. This is a beautiful place with a lot of nature surrounding us. It's been a great experience, and I recommend everyone to try one of SEYN's academies.
I'm washing some dishes and glasses right here. It's a great experience being here, and lantern workshop was amazing.
I really enjoyed the mood that we had, even just for 2 days. It was really involving and caring and cozy.
Learned quite a lot of stuff, and I think I learned something that I was really missing, that was hands-on experience with energy systems, because I studied renewable energies at university, but you don't get to do this practical kind of stuff that we did.
We built the sound system and the food dehydrator. I danced a lot, so it was not just work, it was fun and work together, and I really enjoyed my time here.
I can try the beginning. We learned to do hands-on small renewable energy systems.
Yeah, solar-powered systems. I think we met a lot of nice people.
And we made a lot of nice things.
So both of us, I think, we know now techniques to make DIY projects powered by sun. And cheers to new sustainable development experiences.
Cheers to that.
Participants had a lot of fun making the systems together. Some new insights into how these systems work, and now they can go on exploring new solutions and make their own cool new applications, and we will be happy to see what new ideas they bring to the course.